Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Mint account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Mint account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in mint.intuit.com and make a search. The official page of Mint's account will appear on the screen. Click on Sign Up option at the top right corner of the page. On the next page, enter your email address, create a password for your Mint account and tap on Sign Up. Click on Show option to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Now enter your first and last name, select a reason that you are joining Mint and tap on Continue. Enter your home address details including your street address, city, state, zip code and tap on Continue. Enter last 4 digits of your social security number, your date of birth and tap on Continue once again. Agree to the terms and conditions of Mint by tick marking on the box that says I understand and agree, then tap on Continue. Follow the prompts till the end and that's how you'll be able to sign up for your Mint account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.